Namaskar. Water is at the core of sustainable development and is critical for socio-economic development, energy and food production, healthy ecosystems, and for human survival itself. Water is also at the heart of adaptation to climate change, serving as the crucial link between society and the environment. However, the world today is grappling with water crisis. At least 50% of the planet's population, which is around 4 billion people, is dealing with water shortfalls at least 1 month of the year. According to the UN, by 2025, around 1.8 billion people are likely to face what is called absolute water scarcity. I am Hina Samant, Research Associate at Vivekananda International Foundation. My expertise in research include climate change with special focus on water security. Today in this brief segment, I will be talking about India's urban water crisis situation. When Cape Town in 2018 faced a severe water crisis, it was predicted that soon many metropolitan cities across the globe would face the same fate. Unfortunately, this prediction has come true for India, as many of the country's cities are facing what we call a water crisis situation. India is one of the most highly water-stressed countries in the world. At present, the country is facing distress in both water quality and quantity, with major cities being impacted badly. In fact, in February this year, Bengaluru, India's third most populous city, faced the worst potable water crisis in its history, which impacted millions of lives and livelihoods. Similarly, Delhi, the capital of India, at present is facing a severe water crisis. The city is grappling with severe water shortages, forcing residents to rely on water tankers. In fact, residents in various parts of the city were seen standing in long queues to get water from these tankers. Initially, the crisis was restricted to slum areas only, but now it has spread to major institutions such as that of hospitals and prominent areas as well, hinting towards quickly worsening water situation. It is said that the city is facing a water shortage of 50 million gallons per day. It has also been reported that Delhi has extracted most of its groundwater, thus exacerbating the crisis. Years of population growth, massive and unplanned urbanization, groundwater depletion, neglect of the city's water resources and water bodies, and inadequate water management system have been identified by the experts as the main factors behind the crisis. The situation has been worsened due to soaring temperatures and an unprecedented heat wave which the city has been witnessing since mid-May. The authorities have appealed to the citizens of the national capital to use water judiciously. They have urged people to save water and not use drinking water on washing cars, etc., or else there would be heavy fines imposed on them. An important lesson that can be drawn from the ongoing water crisis is that the cities across the countries requires better and long-term planning for the future. It needs to be kept in mind that climate change is only going to make the conditions worse as rainfall patterns are changing and extreme weather events like that of heat waves, which the city is experiencing right now, is becoming much more frequent and severe. An inclusive approach is required in which the citizens must take part actively to conserve water. It is important for the people to become environmentally responsible. If people become environmentally sensible, then they can manage water bodies, parks in their neighborhoods, and will refrain from polluting water bodies. Communication is the key to dealing with this kind of water stress situation. Communication by the government with the people in order to tell the people how much water they have needs to be given a high priority. This is to be done before every peak summer season, and this can be done by either introducing a website or through electronic billboards. This will help the citizens to take responsibility on themselves to use water more responsibly and prepare themselves for extreme heat conditions. All these factors can be accumulated as a part of long-term strategy for India's urban water crisis. Thank you.